Welcome back to Motor Max, your ultimate destination for all things motorsport. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated bikes of 2025, the Yamaha SR450. A machine that blends Yamaha's rich heritage with cutting-edge technology, making it one of the standout models in the off-road and dual-sport bike category. If you're considering adding this beauty to your garage or simply curious about what it brings to the table, stay tuned for a full review. Overview of the 2025 Yamaha SR450. The Yamaha SR450 is a bike that's been designed with versatility in mind. Whether you're hitting trails in the mountains, cruising on a highway, or tackling tough off-road conditions, this bike promises to deliver performance, durability, and reliability. At first glance, the SR450 sports a sleek, aggressive look, with a high-performance frame and cutting-edge suspension technology. One of the first things that set the SR450 apart from its competitors is its blend of old-school Yamaha design principles, combined with modern performance and tech enhancements. Yamaha has always been synonymous with strong off-road capabilities, and the SR450 builds on that legacy, making it a serious contender for adventure enthusiasts and hardcore off-road riders alike. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Yamaha SR450 is powered by a 450 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. This engine offers an excellent balance between power and weight, ensuring that the bike is not only fast but also agile and responsive. It delivers around 48 horsepower, which is plenty for tackling rough terrains and providing a thrilling ride on both paved and dirt surfaces. What makes the SR450's engine particularly impressive is its fuel efficiency. Yamaha's engineering team has worked hard to improve the engine's fuel delivery system, ensuring riders can go longer distances between refuels, making it ideal for long trips and weekend getaways. Moreover, the SR450 comes with a 6-speed transmission, which complements the engine's torque curve for smooth power delivery across a wide range of speeds. Whether you're climbing a steep incline or maintaining a steady speed on flat terrain, the SR450 adapts quickly to the rider's input. Suspension and handling. One of the standout features of the 2025 SR450 is its suspension system. The bike features a fully adjustable KYB suspension setup, with a 48mm inverted fork in the front and a link-type rear shock. These components allow riders to fine-tune their suspension for different conditions, from soft dirt trails to more aggressive rocky paths. This high-end suspension setup contributes to the SR450's excellent handling, offering both comfort and control no matter the terrain. Whether you're navigating technical off-road sections or riding at higher speeds, the suspension provides exceptional stability, reducing the impact of bumps and obstacles. Furthermore, the lightweight design of the SR450's chassis plays a big role in its agility. Combined with the responsive suspension, the bike feels incredibly nimble, allowing riders to take tight turns and navigate through difficult terrain with ease. Design and build quality. The bike's bodywork features a combination of sharp lines and an angular design, giving it an aggressive and modern appearance. Despite its rugged design, Yamaha has ensured that the SR450 remains comfortable for long rides. The seat is ergonomically designed, providing adequate support for riders of all sizes. Whether you're standing up on the pegs for technical sections or sitting down for longer stretches, comfort is key, and Yamaha has delivered in this aspect. Another notable feature is the SR450's multifunction display. The instrument cluster is fully digital, offering a host of useful information, including speed, fuel consumption, engine temperature, and ride modes. The display is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, and gives the rider all the information needed to make adjustments on the fly. Technology and features. As with many of Yamaha's modern motorcycles, the SR450 comes packed with advanced technology to enhance the rider's experience. It features Yamaha's new ride-by-wire throttle system, providing smooth and precise throttle control. This system offers different power modes, allowing the rider to tailor the bike's performance depending on the terrain or riding conditions. The SR450 also comes equipped with Yamaha's YCCT, Yamaha Chip Controlled Throttle, which automatically adjusts the throttle response for better overall performance. This technology makes it easier for riders to manage power delivery, especially in tricky situations, like climbing steep inclines or navigating tight, technical trails. Additionally, the SR450 boasts a lightweight and efficient braking system. The front features a 270mm disc brake, while the rear is equipped with a 245mm disc brake, both providing excellent stopping power. This setup ensures that the bike remains stable even when riding at high speeds or when navigating challenging descents. Off-road capability and versatility. The SR450 shines when it comes to off-road riding. Thanks to its well-balanced weight distribution, robust suspension, and powerful engine, it is equally at home on rocky trails as it is on muddy paths. Its knobby tires provide excellent grip, making it easy to tackle various off-road surfaces, from loose sand to slippery mud. Another significant aspect is the bike's ground clearance. With 12 inches of clearance, the SR450 can handle uneven terrain with ease, avoiding the risk of scraping its undercarriage on obstacles like rocks and roots. Whether you're riding through dense forests or navigating through sand dunes, the SR450 provides the freedom to explore new paths without worrying about limitations. Yamaha has also focused on rider safety. The SR450 comes with an advanced anti-lock braking system, ABS, as standard, ensuring that you have more control in slippery or wet conditions. This is particularly helpful on loose surfaces, where locking up the wheels could lead to a loss of control. Price and value for money. The 2025 Yamaha SR450 is positioned as a premium adventure bike, and it comes with a price tag to match. However, when you consider its build quality, advanced features, and excellent off-road capabilities, the price feels justified. This bike is ideal for riders who demand high performance, whether they're professionals or dedicated enthusiasts. The SR450 offers excellent value for money compared to similar models in the market. While there are cheaper bikes out there, few can match the SR450's balance of power, suspension, and off-road prowess. It's a bike that's built to last, with durable components and Yamaha's signature reliability, ensuring that you'll get years of enjoyment. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha SR450 is a standout model in the adventure and off-road bike market. With its powerful engine, advanced suspension, and cutting-edge technology, it's built to tackle any terrain with ease. Whether you're a seasoned off-road rider or someone looking to explore new trails, the SR450 provides the performance and versatility you need to enjoy every ride to the fullest. With Yamaha's focus on comfort, control, and durability, the SR450 is set to become a favorite among adventure enthusiasts. If you're looking for a bike that delivers both on and off-road, the SR450 is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Yamaha SR450. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from MotorMax. We've got more reviews, news, and comparisons coming your way. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next ride.